Actually, this project, I thought this is about 15-20 years back. I want something special restaurant in Goa. It's only for ladies, female staff. Because everywhere male, without male, can't do anything female like that. The people saying like that. Because I want to do something without man, female can run the restaurant. Because almost without man can't run the restaurant. Then female can prove that. That's why I started this restaurant. Is 100% F&B is female, like bouncers, security, and all restaurant staff. And I think this is entire Goa. This is the first restaurant. I think this my concept is first restaurant. And this is, I tell all my Goan people, just come and have the service and the food and always the quality and always female are running the restaurant. Pura, opposite Saturday Market. Restaurant name is 23 Family Bar and Restaurant. You can come from Mapsa, then you have to come Nagwa and Nagwa take right, then you will be come to the restaurant 23. Otherwise you have to come from Anjuna, then way up Kalangut you can get the restaurant. If you come from Panjim, you have to come Nagwa, again you have to take left, you will be come to the Arpora junction, then you can ask anybody, they can tell you. It is only 3 to 4 kilometer distance from Kalangut beach. Even Baga beach is 2 kilometer distance. Kandalim beach about 5 to 6 kilometer distance. Anjuna is 5 to 4 kilometer distance. It is very near. Everybody is convenient. It is right on the road. It's parking no problem. Please come, enjoy the service and support us for the female power.
Of a restaurant in Arpora village relating to women empowerment, women's power. Restaurant 23 is just inaugurated at Arpora, where all the staff are women, and it's a great initiative by the promoter Mrs. Shetty and Mr. Shetty, Salim Syed and the entire team, where all the service staff will be all women, cashier, cooks, even the security, whoever will be coming inside to welcome the guest is all women. And I think this is a very unique concept where only women staff will be working in a restaurant, and also in Kalangut constituency. We always see a lot of, most of the restaurants service is being done by men. But today the concept is slowly changing, and women are given encouragement, women are given charge to prove themselves that they can even run a restaurant on their own. So I wish all the best to Mrs. Shetty, who has taken this initiative to for women empowerment in our village of Arpora. I wish all the best to our Sarpanch also, who is encouraging this. She being a woman, she is encouraging, and she's come specially being a Ganesh festival. She's come to inaugurate this place. I wish the Sarpanch and the entire team of Arpora Nagwa all the best.